Hi, this is Arun Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to unbox Oppo Enco Air 2 Pro Bluetooth truly wireless in-ear earbuds. The Oppo Enco Air 2 Pro is a pair of true wireless earbuds made by Oppo. The earbuds have a compact and lightweight design, and come with a carrying case that can charge the earbuds multiple times. They are also IPX5 rated, making them water and sweat resistant. Oppo Enco Air 2 was announced on June 2021. The earbuds have a battery life of up to 28 hours with the charging case and 6 hours on a single charge. They also feature active noise cancellation and can be controlled through touch gestures on the earbuds or through an accompanying smartphone app. Oppo Enco Air 2 also has an IP54 rating, making them resistant to dust and water. They are designed to provide a comfortable fit and a premium listening experience.